Now this is one cool looking custom PS5 controller. A customer ordered this from Clutch Controllers and went with this beautiful customized black and green color combination with a bunch of mods on there. As you can see on the back, we've got the 4 paddle buttons, which are really tactile and perfectly placed, also in green, matching the rest of the controller. And he did add the remap chip to this as well, so these can be assigned to any button at any time. But also the triggers have mouse clicks installed on them, so the L2 and R2 are really clicky and tactile with literally no trigger travel before they activate, so aiming and firing is so much quicker and satisfying. The combination of the paddles and the mouse clicks is definitely going to step up your game. If you want to build your own custom PS5 controller, check out clutchcontrollers.com.